Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you boys? Are you good? I hope you will be fine. Okay, now last week we finished our book. Now we start revision. Okay, now in revision, first of all, electric circuit. We study electric circuit. Number one, these are some symbols that you must be understand. Number one, buzzer. What is buzzer? What it make? For example, buzzer, it makes sound. Main thing, it what it do, it makes sound. For example, in your home you can listen sound from anywhere. Inside that instrument you will find a buzzer. For example, your doorbell, television, radio, and mobile phones, they have buzzers. Because of that buzzer, you that instrument makes sound and you listen. Okay, this is the sign of buzzer inside the circuit. Number two, switch. Here this is switch on. Number one, what is switch? Switch, a component in the circuit that let the current to pass through it, that is called switch. And switch on, this is the sign of switch on. When the switch on, then current pass through the circuit. Okay, for example, you want to light up the bulb. Okay, first of all you switch on. You want to play your game, first you switch on from the electricity. And if you want to watch the TV, first you switch on. Every instrument or electric appliance has a switch. First of all you switch on, then you will the current will be passed through the circuit and work will happen. Okay, this is the symbol of switch on. And next, this is switch off. Switch off, what is switch off? When the switch doesn't let the electricity to pass, then it is called switch off, and it is not connect to each other. Here there is some gap between these two terminals. Okay, when it is here, then switch on. Now it is in the position of switch off. When you want to close light, close AC, close computer, even close television, then you switch off. Then there is no current pass through the circuit, and this situation or this position is called switch off. And this is the bulb holder. Bulb holder that hold the bulb and lit it up. Okay, and it is dangerous we directly give the electric to the bulb, so we fix first bulb in the bulb holder and then it will be light up. This is bulb holder. Then cell. What is cell? It provides small amount of power, and it is a single unit of power. Okay, it is small, and we use this one cell or two cell in the toy cars because it is safely we can use. Because main electricity is dangerous to use in our toys. For example, here we touch, we touch with our hand this part or this part, we will not a shock. But in electricity, main electricity, if we touch here any side of the terminal, then we will have a shock. Okay, that may be dangerous for us. So cell is a safe use of electricity in our toys or some other things. And then battery. Battery, first of all, what is battery? A battery is a combination of more than one cell. One unit of power is cell, and if we combine more than one cell in one place, then that become a battery. And battery have more power than a cell. Some instruments need less power, we use one cell. Some need more power, we use two cell. Some more and more with three and four, like these cells. That is called battery. And this is the sign of bulb. Okay, when we in circuit we look this, this you must be understand, this is the sign of bulb. And then this is the sign of motor. This is a symbol of motor. In your circuit, when you see this, you must be understand this is a motor. And motor, what motor do? Motor do mechanical work. Okay, for example, in your home, from the small from the tank, water tank in the ground, you want to water to push up, and you want to fill a tank at the top of the roof, okay, top of your building. Then you start the motor, and motor do this work. And here, this is the sign, for example, wire that carry the current. This is wire inside the circuit, and this is open circuit, switch off. And this is the sign of bulb, and this is the sign of cell, and this is the sign of switch on, and this is a sign of battery. Look here, one cell, and here one, two, three. Here three cells. Okay, boys. Now I show you a video about this same. Then you will understand more about this. Hello boys, this is a video about our circuit. Now you listen carefully and understand this. Okay, carry on.
In the last video, we saw symbols of a few basic electrical components used in a circuit. This is a symbol representing a battery, which is a 1.5 volt cell. This bigger line represents a positive terminal, and the small one represents a negative terminal. This symbol is used for the bulb connected in the circuit. It is just W written upside down in this way and enclosed in a circle. So if we were to draw this simple circuit using the symbols, then how would we do it? Just draw the symbols for the electric cell and the bulb first. Then using straight lines for wires, join them together. This is a circuit diagram representing this circuit. It was simple to draw, wasn't it? You can even show the direction of electric current in the circuit with arrowheads. So the electric current is flowing in this direction from the positive to the negative terminal of the cell. Now we have seen in the past that this is not the only way to light up a bulb in this circuit. For instance, if we interchange the wires connected to the two terminals of the bulb, then the bulb will still glow. This is because the circuit is still complete and all the terminals of the system are occupied. Can you draw the circuit diagram for this circuit? Why don't you give it a try? If you look at this circuit, the positive terminal of the cell, which was initially connected to this terminal of the bulb, is now connected to the other terminal. Similarly, the negative terminal, which was initially connected to this terminal, is now connected to this one. So how will the circuit diagram of this circuit look like? This is the circuit diagram. Compare it with this one. You see that we've just reversed the direction of the battery. Hence, the electric current in this circuit is flowing in the opposite direction. So the electric current can flow in either direction. As long as the circuit is complete, the electricity will flow and the bulb will glow. Let us look at this circuit now. How many components does this circuit have? Yes, 3. A bulb, cell, and a switch. What is the symbol for switch? There are two symbols for a switch. This symbol is used when the switch is on, and this symbol is used when the switch is off. If we were to draw a circuit diagram for this circuit, then here is what it will look like. Note that there will be two circuit diagrams for this. This one is when the switch is off and the electric current is not flowing through the circuit. We see that no arrowheads are shown here. This circuit diagram is when the switch is on. Here, the circuit is complete and the current is flowing. The arrowheads are used to show the direction of the electric current, which is always from the positive to the negative terminal of the battery. Now here is a question for you. We know that when the electric current flows between the two ends of the filament heats up. This heating up of the filament results in its glowing, and this is how we receive light from the bulb. But if this filament is broken, then will the bulb glow? No, it won't. This is because if the filament breaks, the circuit will be broken.
Hello. Okay, boys. This is our topic today, and you must be revise this. And one sheet, that is vocabulary sheet, that I will send you. You also revise that sheet, memorize the component and the name of the component, and also symbols. Okay, boys. See you after. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.